We thought that robots in schools were just a fantasy, but the future came too quickly. AI robots have taken the place of teachers, and now it is they who shape the future of our children. They are already beginning to replace teachers in countries like the United States, China, Japan, and Switzerland. AI robots are entering classrooms and taking control of education. Here is one example of an AI teacher robot. Let's talk about its technical specifications. This robot is fully controlled through a computer system and begins working strictly according to the class schedule. Its continuous operating time is up to 12 hours without recharging. Equipped with advanced optical sensors, it can track each student's attention and automatically adjust the difficulty of the lesson. Its database contains over 200 educational programs, and it can explain any topic in multiple ways, never making mistakes in calculations. The robot analyzes classroom behavior in real time, monitors performance, and automatically generates reports for the school administration. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get sick, and it can conduct up to 60 lessons per day. And most importantly, every phrase, every movement, even its tone of voice is controlled by artificial intelligence algorithms. This is not just a machine. This is a new form of teacher.
When they first brought this AI robot into our classroom, I honestly laughed. I thought there was no way it could ever replace a real teacher. But after just a few lessons, I realized I was wrong. It observes students flawlessly, noticing the smallest signals, who got distracted, who doesn't understand the material, and instantly adjusting the way it explains the lesson. It delivers information so clearly and so structured that even the most difficult topics suddenly become simple. The robot never gets tired, never gets stressed, never makes mistakes, and never loses control of the class. It analyzes every student's reaction in real time, adjusts its tone, pace, and difficulty level, and it does it better than most humans. I see how the students listen to it, with a level of focus I haven't seen in years. To them, it's the perfect teacher, calm, precise, and error-free. And you know, that terrifies me, because for the first time in many years, I felt that my profession might truly disappear. If things continue at this pace, in just a few years, robots will completely replace us, the teachers. And this is no longer the future. It's happening right now.
This is only the beginning. Today, robots are teaching our classes calmly, precisely, without mistakes. They educate our children, analyze every student, and register every reaction. They are becoming part of a system that can no longer be stopped. But what will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, these same algorithms may start making decisions for us. Decisions that shape our education, our jobs, and our future. What once required a human is now done by a machine. And here is the question we can no longer avoid. Are we ready for a world where the teacher is no longer human? Are we ready to let artificial intelligence shape the next generation? What do you think? Is it truly possible that robots could completely replace the most important and essential professions of humanity? Leave a comment below. Your voice matters now more than ever.